You've been told a $1,000 miter saw is the key to precision, but your joints still have gaps. What if the truth was simpler and cheaper? This shop-made Crosscut Sled can outperform expensive machinery. Let's prove it by building one that cuts perfect 90-degree angles every single time. Miter saws have hidden flaws, blade deflection, and fence misalignment. Even expensive ones develop play over time, making perfect cuts a guessing game. A zero-clearance sled solves this. It supports the wood right at the cut line for a tear-out-free finish, and its fixed base prevents any rocking or movement. Now let's dial it in using the 5-cut method. This mathematical process reveals errors you can't see with a regular square, down to thousandths of an inch. By measuring this small offcut, we calculate exactly how much to adjust our fence. This is precision you can't get from mechanical stops. We lock this adjustment in, and now we have a reference surface that's perfectly square to the blade. Let's put it to the test. Look at that. Furniture-grade joinery achieved not with an expensive saw, but with a simple sled and a methodical approach. Plus, it's safer and more repeatable. Set a stop block, and you can cut 10 identical pieces without measuring twice. Stop fighting your tools and start mastering your craft. Build this sled, use the 5-cut method, and build furniture that shows your true skill.
You've been told a $1,000 miter saw is the key to precision, but your joints still have gaps. The truth? A simple scrap wood sled can outperform it every time. The problem is hidden flaws, blade deflection, mechanical play in the rails, and fences that are rarely perfectly square, no matter the price. This is the zero clearance Crosscut Sled. It eliminates those issues with a stable platform and a fixed, reliable reference fence. The zero clearance insert supports the wood fibers at the cut line, giving you a finish so clean it looks polished. Now, let's master the legendary 5-step squaring method. First, we make 2 opposing cuts on the same board. Next, we cut that piece in half and then cut 1/2 again. This mathematically amplifies any error in our fence. This tiny rock shows our fence is off. By measuring this gap, we know exactly how much to adjust. We make a precise adjustment, tightening the fence back down. This locks in a level of precision mechanical stops can't match. Repeating the test proves it. Perfectly square, dead on 90 degrees every single time. With stop blocks, I can cut multiple identical pieces in seconds. No measuring twice, just perfect, repeatable results. It's also safer. Your hands stay far from the blade, and the sled gives you total control over small or awkward work pieces. The result is furniture-grade joinery. You can build high-end pieces without spending a fortune on industrial machinery. Stop fighting your tools and start mastering your craft. This sled isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to professional results.